Hey guys, just wanted to show a quick video on how I've mounted my GoPro to my Shoei X-14 helmet. Essentially all I really used was 2 packs of the Sugru moldable glue, and I used the curved GoPro mount, and along with that I use this L-shaped clip, and then from the L-shaped clip I use a 3-way adjuster, and then I connected that straight to my GoPro case. All those mounts can be found in the GoPro Grab Bag that you can buy off the website or off Amazon or eBay, whatever. And that's essentially all it really is, and that's all it really took. On the GoPro itself, I'm running a aluminium case from a company called Ulanzi. I'll leave the link for the particular model that I used in the description, and essentially that's just how I've been running it for the past 2 months. And honestly, like, I can say I have zero complaints with this setup. The only bad thing is the wind noise. The wind noise is really disgusting when you try pick up over around, I don't know, 50 to 60 kilometers an hour. And so to solve that, I need to get an external mic and the adapter, which is essentially partly the reason why I even got this specific case, because I can slot the microphone adapter right underneath the case here in this little pocket, and that just gives the helmet a better and cleaner look, rather than me, having to do what most other people on YouTube do, where they stick it here on the side or something and use duct tape and then put all the cables underneath the helmet to their mic is. I mean, like, I have to obviously put the mic somewhere in the cheek pad, but it's still better than having a whole bunch of tape running off the side of the helmet. And yeah, it's only basically all just for aesthetics. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It took me an hour or so to actually do this. I just took as much time as I could to, apply the Sugru like as neatly as I could without making it look too clunky. Like, it's pretty poor job there, but everywhere else is like a bit clean. It's a bit hard on this helmet here because right at the bottom where the chin ends, you got all these bumps and stuff, and you also have this slot here for air to go in, and just trying to work around it is a bit difficult, but it's actually not that bad and not noticeable at all from afar. It looks very clean, and it's really, really, really strong. Like, yeah. I've even dropped this helmet from around 1.5 meters, and I was getting ready to go for a ride, and it landed chin first, slightly at a weird angle, and it impacted this corner of the GoPro case, and even that impact there, and it sort of hit at the top of the helmet under that sticker. So I replaced the sticker, and there was just like a few scratches there, but even then it withheld from all that impact. 1.5 meters is quite a significant height for a helmet to be dropped on concrete, and yeah, like, still held up. Rode home and recorded, and there was no shakiness or anything at all. It was all normal, it was all fine. So yeah, it's very easy setup, very cheap. $30 for the GoPro Grab Bag, and I think around $12 to get the Sugru packets. And the case is expensive, that was $80. But yeah, other than that, if you're just not going to run the case and you're on the GoPro, you're looking around under $50 just to mount it correctly to your helmet. And yeah, for something that's quick and easy, I highly recommend it. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to show you guys a few clips of me riding just around my area, just so you guys see what the actual video recording looks like running the GoPro on this helmet in this setup right here. So yeah.